Scout Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, we're on our way home from the Jeep event and stopped at a market to get some Amish jellies and jams for the wife. Looked out, the Jeep is dumping fluid hard. Coming low from behind the harmonic balancer. I'm hoping that it's a water pump. Not 100% sure. It is water, it isn't oil. I had to add about 3/4 of a gallon of water to the radiator. I'm limping right now to the closest O'Reilly's, which is in Clinton, Missouri, 8 miles from here. Temperatures are good, oil looks good, everything looks fine, but yeah, when I came out of the market, it was peeing water on top of the front differential and axle, running down the back of the oil pan. Nothing high though, it wasn't a hose, it's not the radiator, it's all in the block, and like I said, it's all coming from back behind the harmonic balancer area. So I'm hoping it's not a broke bolt. It may be a gasket, it may be a weep, I don't know. Runs good. When I first started it up though, it wouldn't start. Took me a few minutes to get it to start, and when I did finally get it to start, it sat there and shook a little bit, and the check engine light was flashing, which is never a good sign. So let it sit for about 20 minutes. Was able to open the radiator, add some water to it, and like I said, luckily the closest O'Reilly's was 20 minutes away. Let's see how strong these 4.0s can be. Well, we just left the parts store. Got water pump, antifreeze, gasket material, Teflon tape. I think everything we're gonna need to fix this. Walk back out to the Jeep, and it's not leaking. So everything's loaded in the Jeep. We're gonna push this hard, see if we can't make it to as far as we can make it, hopefully home. But I've got everything I need in case I have to replace this on the side of the road. But I don't know, good decision or not, I'll find out in a few hours if I should have replaced it at the parts store, if I should have kept pushing hard and see where we make it to. Yeah, don't know what else. Life's an adventure. Well, if we're keeping score, I don't know if I'm ahead or behind, but water pump's still leaking. Coming up on the Kansas City airport. See how much further I can get. This might just make it. I hope. All right, we just stopped and got some food. Got burgers, some sweet tea, some fuel. Stopped at one gas station that ended up being closed, and well, the water pump started leaking pretty bad. Drove it to the next gas station, didn't leak at all. Oh well. I know we got a problem, we're gonna get it fixed here. Hopefully we'll be able to get home on it. Like I said, we're coming up on the Kansas City International Airport, so we're about halfway there. So let's see how much further this gets. Quite the game. Alright YouTube, we're getting closer. Just crossed into Nebraska. Looks like we got about 2 more hours of driving. Temps are still holding good, knock on wood. Oil pressure looks good. About a half tank of gas, so I'll have to stop one more time for that. So hopefully we'll make it to the garage and get it fixed when we get home. Alright YouTube, we made it. We're less than half a mile from the house. Left Springfield this morning. Blew the water pump. And leaking all freaking day long. Like I said, less than a mile out, we are home. We made it. Jeep's got 209,008 miles. So that'd be 2009, 09 when I walk in the house. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Sorry about the flashing light. Sun's going down, not much I can do about it. Tomorrow morning, we're fixing this old girl. Thanks for riding with me. See you then. Have a blessed evening. Good morning. All right, we're in the garage. It's time to start fixing that water pump that went out. I think we figured 452 miles with a blown water pump on a Jeep. It's kind of a fun trip, sorta. No, not really. But time to get this thing fixed. Well, the repair is done. Everything's put back together. It was a little bit more of a project than I anticipated, but it really wasn't too bad. Had I had to do this on the side of the road, I'm pretty sure this would have been catastrophic failure. I probably would have had to have it towed. The area I really struggled with was getting the fan off. I think on the road I would have tried, I hope I would have tried to put the serpentine back on, and I hope I would have had a crescent big enough, I don't think I did, to try knocking that fan blade loose. That's where I struggled the most on this. Once I got that off, and again I used vice grips and the serpentine belt to create a strap wrench, and that ended up breaking the serpentine. So side of the road, I think I'd have been in trouble. On the other hand, it made it home. This Jeep, no matter what I have done to it over the last 209,000 miles, has always gotten me home. That's always been a given. Whether it's ripping a control arm off the axle, being able just to limp it home on that, or on the rear axle, stopping at a farm and welding it back on. I've been fortunate that whatever has broken on the road and on the trail has been within my skill set to fix, and I've been able to find the tools to fix it. So Jeep made it home. I'm impressed. The water pump is in. Had I had to do this on the side of the road, I wouldn't have done the heater lines, I wouldn't have done the radiator hoses, I would not have done the radiator. But because I was able to get it home, and because I was taking all that off, that water pump, those hoses, the radiator, all had 60,000 miles on them since I changed them all the last time. So they were ready. The radiator, which had a lifetime warranty, was starting to seep a little bit of coolant out of the drain hole. And for that reason, again, lifetime warranty, it was just time to switch that out. We're getting ready to go to Moab in the middle of summer. Why? Summer, really, it's going to be hot. Having a cooling system that's going to work is pretty crucial. But I'd like to thank you for watching, following along. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers I've been getting lately. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. As always, if you see something that I can make improvements on, please let me know. And like, subscribe, and follow. You have a blessed day, and remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.